Hi and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Today we're gonna look at how to make an idiot-proof kimchi. Kimchi for dummies, foolproof. Me and my wife tried probably 10 different recipes of kimchi and we were always disappointed because we never thought that it tasted better than what you can buy at the shops. And for us the goal is to, if you cook something, it should taste better than what you can buy, because otherwise it makes little sense to cook. But here it is. Pure gold, pure delight, pure kimchi gold. It's dead easy to make, as you will see today. And it tastes fantastic and tastes better than anything you can buy. So I hope you'll stay put and join me for the next couple of minutes. Thank you. So now we're gonna put together the kimchi paste. And me and my wife, we've tried many of these, but many of recipes for these, but we've never really managed to get to where we wanted to until we stumbled across this recipe, and it's that simple. Take half a cup of gochugaru, that's this thing here. It's red pepper paste, Korean. Half a cup of sugar. It's not for the dieting people, this one. 20 cloves of garlic. They've been mashed up, as you can see. And here for the ginger, the measurement in the recipe says 20 slices. So you can see this is about the amount that I've prepared. I would say it's about half of what we have in garlic. So now we put in some soya, half a cup. No, sorry, quarter cup. And the same amount of fish sauce, quarter cup. So, get a spoon for that. What I normally do is we normally make kind of a pork butt together with this, and I use, I would say, half of the kimchi paste for the kimchi itself, and I save half to serve as kind of a paste sauce kind of thing together with the pork butt. So this is what a paste looks like when it's ready, mixed. I will put it in the fridge until the cabbage is ready tomorrow, and then we'll mix everything. To prepare the cabbage for the kimchi, that's quite simple actually. You just have to slice it up in your preferred size. There's no real right or wrong. And now what you have to do is to overnight leave it like this with about 2 tablespoons of salt to get the excess liquid out of it. About 1 tablespoon, about 2 tablespoons, and then just mix that roughly. So that's mixed now, and now we'll have to leave it overnight in the fridge to get the excess water out of it. And then we'll continue tomorrow. So, welcome back. It's 1 day later. As you remember, we salted the cabbage for the kimchi and we put it in the fridge overnight. And I just put this plate here to show you how much water actually comes out after you salt it. As you can see, it's quite a substantial amount actually. So you really need to salt it, leave it overnight, and then pour off all the excess water. You don't have to worry about the salt because we didn't use that much salt. And what we're doing now, what I prepared before, because it's boring to watch, I sliced about half a cup of spring onions, or scallions, and half a cup of thinly sliced carrot. That goes in as well. So, and now we're ready to mix in the kimchi paste that we mixed yesterday. If you have a feeling that it's too thick, you can always add a bit of water to it. As you saw yesterday, there was a lot of sugar that we put in, but the sugar, obviously sugar is always good, but you will be surprised how little of the sweetness is left once it started to ferment. So and now I will actually quickly rinse my hands and then mix this with my hands. So. It's nice to just get in there and do it properly. It's the best way of mixing. Also when you toss a salad with dressing or something, the easiest way is just to get in there with your hands. Make sure that everything gets coated, so that you mix it well. And now everyone's different. If you like the fermented kind of kimchi taste, then you need to leave it probably at least a week before you eat it. If you're just after the raw kind of kimchi taste, which with no fermentation, quite sweet, you could potentially eat it straight away. But I prefer a bit of fermentation, so we're gonna fill it up in these glass jars. Now that's mixed well. Just rinse my hands again. What we have here is just standard glass jars, but you see here they have a valve in the lid so that some air can escape. Now let's just start filling. I'm not sure if we'll need one or two. Put the lid on and then rinse it off. Just dry it off. And there we go. It's a foolproof and dead easy way to make a great kimchi. Now, I would probably leave it in the fridge for at least a week, and after a week try it and see if it'll reach the level that I personally like. I would probably even leave it outside for the first 12 to 24 hours. Just leave it in the kitchen standing somewhere and then put it in the fridge to get kind of the fermentation going. But this is, I promise you, it's better than the kimchi you can buy, and that's always my main goal. If I can't make it better myself, then you can buy it, then I buy it. But if I can make it better myself, then I prefer to make it better. So, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll make your own kimchi now. Thank you very much. Bye bye.